Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a quick run through of the new Valorant UI. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, by the way, because I am not a big fan. Like, I'm already used to the one before. Like, why did they have to change it? I don't know. So to the right here, you'll see, like, obviously your friends, and you can also add friends here and search for friends here. It's no longer down here, by the way. And then if you want to play a game, you're just going to go to the play section. Now this is where it gets different. So if you want to queue for something, as you can see, it's no longer up here. You're just going to have to go to the left to search for the game you want to play. There's unrated, competitive, swift play, spike rush, deathmatch, team deathmatch, premier, and custom. So if you want to go to custom, you have to go there. And then to enter the party code, it's here, and to generate code is also there. To open and close parties, it's also here to the left. If you're looking for skirmish, I don't remember how to pronounce it. Go to queue and go to custom, and you'll see the modes here. There's swift play, standard, deathmatch, escalation, team deathmatch, spike rush, and skirmish. Okay, it's skirmish. Just pick which one you want, and you can also pick the maps here. Same for like standard. You can pick the maps here now. Game options are here as well. Cheats, tournament mode, etc. And you can pick the server here. And party codes here and party closed here as well. You can also use auto balance here if you have like a complete set of players. I do have friends. They're just not online right now, but if they were here, you can also use auto balance if you'd like to. It's just based on like ranks, so it's going to auto balance itself. You can switch to defenders, observers. You can invite people here. The rest are still pretty usual. Everything's here, like career, collection, store, premier, agents, battle pass, and home. So yeah, that is pretty much a quick rundown of it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!